Between our phones, tablets, laptops, and televisions, some form of screen time is happening almost 24/7. That's why it's becoming more imperative than ever for us to unplug and head out into the great outdoors. Getting out into nature doesn't have to be a big event. Go out for a jog or a brisk walk without your phone, taking the sights and sounds of your surroundings. You might be surprised by how much you are missing. Gale spring flowers, pretty ground covered lanes, right in your very neighborhood. And if you are feeling a little more ambitious, plan a family vacation in some of the best camping spots in your area.